Top 5 Home Remedies for Weight Loss. You might be wondering, what exactly do I have in my home that can facilitate weight loss? Well, ask no more, because we are going to be talking about things that you have in your kitchen or home that can help you start your journey to weight loss. 1. Ginger. This spice is commonly used to cook and is found in almost every home. Aside from cooking with ginger, it can also be eaten raw. It has been very effective in healing a lot of health issues including catarrh and cough. But one thing a lot of people do not know is that ginger can also be used to tackle your weight loss problems. Ginger is a wonderful spice that can facilitate weight loss. It can be taken as a tea in the morning and at night. You can either blend it or get the powder. Mix a certain quantity into a cup or mug, add hot water, let it sit for a while, then gently sip it. You can also add honey to it if you desire. You may be tempted to add a cube of sugar to taste. But do not forget that you are on a weight loss journey, and as such you need to stay away from artificial sweeteners, which means you should say no to sugar. Take this tea morning and night until you start seeing results. In as much as it facilitates weight loss, it is also a very refreshing drink that calms the body system. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider is a drink that most people do not fail to have in their kitchen because of its numerous benefits. Consumption of apple cider in hot or warm water can also facilitate weight loss by suppressing your appetite and increasing your metabolism. All you have to do is mix 2 spoons to a cup of water and drink before each meal. Other benefits of apple cider vinegar include balancing the skin pH when used to clean the face by exfoliating and removing red spots. It also cures diarrhea. As there are a lot of apple cider by different companies in the market, you would want to know the one you are going for. For desired effects, be sure to go for the raw unfiltered apple cider by Bragg's, with the mother. This drink can be taken with a drop of honey to taste. 3. Lemon. Lemon is a common fruit and can be found in most countries worldwide. Lemon juice has a lot of health benefits and thus, is used by a lot of people for both weight loss and non-weight loss purposes. Lemon juice controls high blood pressure, dizziness, nausea, helps prevent bad breath, brightens dark patches on your skin by removing dead skin cells, thereby acting as a bleaching agent. It can be used as a facial cleanser to treat acne as well as a tea that can cause fat burn in the body. It is a known fact that indeed lemon helps in weight reduction. A hot cup of lemon early in the morning before breakfast and at night before bed can start you off on your weight loss goal. 4. Green tea. Due to the healthy nature and health benefits of green teas, a lot of people tend to keep them handy. Some of the benefits of this tea include increase in fat burn, fights certain cancers, fights cardiovascular diseases, prevents diabetes, improves oral health by reducing oral bacteria, protects the brain thereby reducing neuron degeneration, prevents inflammation, fights bone loss, and much more. There are also many varieties of green teas in the supermarket, so be sure to make your choice and consume between meals. 5. Moringa Leaves. You may not have known, but moringa leaf helps in fat reduction. You can either consume the seeds, or better go for the more effective leaves, therefore leading to weight loss. All you have to do is boil some of the leaves in a sufficient amount of water. Once it boils, pour it into a cup and let it cool down. Sip it and be sure to drink it daily. These few home remedies will get you started on your weight loss journey, and will get the job done only if you stay committed to the cause and be sure to go for the one that works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave us a like. Share this video with your friends and loved ones, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.